हेलो एवरीवन। मैं पूनम स्वागत करती हूँ आप सभी का अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पूनम होम साइंस क्लासेस पर। आज हम बिहार एस्टेट का सिलेबस डिस्कस करेंगे। उच्च माध्यमिक पेपर सेकंड, सब्जेक्ट होम साइंस, 100 मार्क्स। 100 प्रश्न आते हैं और 100 अंक के होते हैं। यूनिट 1 फूड साइंस, फूड, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फूड, स्ट्रक्चर, composition, nutritive value of cereals, pulse, vegetable, fruit, milk products, fats and oils, meal, fish, eggs, beverages, condiments and spices. Cooking method, their effect on nutritive value of foods. Food storage, food spoilage, food poisoning, food preservation, food adulteration. Unit 2 nutrition, nutrients, composition, classification, functions, deficiency, symptoms, sources, daily allowance of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and water. Digestion, absorption and metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and protein. Calorie definition, factors affecting calorie requirements. Unit 3 child development, child development introduction, nature and scope. Fundamental concept of child development, concept of heredity, environment, maturation learning, health and nutrition as factors determining development, developmental areas, developmental milestones, developmental tasks. General principles of growth and development, life in womb, birth process and neonatal period, breastfeeding and its important for mother and baby. Unit 4 child development 2 physical growth, motor development and healthcare, milestone in motor development, gross and fine muscles skill, prevention and management of common childhood illness, immunization, language development and factors affecting language development. Connective development, characteristics, cognitive development in childhood, factors affecting cognitive development. Unit 5 dietetics, diet in health and disease, concept of adequate diet, balanced diet for adult men and women, pregnant women, lactating mothers, preschool, adolescents, old age, modification of normal diet into liquid and soft diet, principles involved in planning diet. Unit 6 Dietetics 2 Low calorie and high calories diet, underweight and overweight, fever, typhoid, high fiber diet, constipation, blend diet, peptic ulcer, moderate fat diet, hepatitis. Unit 7 Family Resource Management. Management process, planning, controlling, and evaluation. Management of family resources, definition, classification, and characteristics of resources. Factors affecting the use of resources. Decision making. Decision making, group and individual decision making, steps of decision making. Energy management. Definition, type of fatigue, causes of fatigue, removal of fatigue, work simplification through principle of body mechanics, Mendel law, Mendel law of change. Unit 8 Family Resource Management 2 Time Management, Money Management, Money as a resource, family income source, and types of family budget. Angel's Law, Account Keeping, Interior Decoration, Elements and Principles, Introduction to Color, Color Theory and Color Schemes. Unit 9 Clothing and Textile. Need of textile in daily living for protection, comfort. Yarn construction, yarn construction, simple, complex and fancy yarn. Fabric construction, weaving, knitting and felting. Finishes, basic and special finishes, mercerizing, sanforizing, fleecing, shrinking, smooth-proof, fireproof, waterproof, crease resistance. Types of dye, method of dye. Selecting fabric for dress materials and household articles. Traditional textile of India. Care and storage and clothes. Unit 10 Child Psychology 1 Definition, scope and objectives of child psychology. Method of child study, biographical method, case history method, clinical method, observation method, experimental method, longitudinal method, and cross sectional method. Play, importance and types of play, theories of play, work and play. Learning, definition and importance of learning, factors affecting learning, theories of learning, trial and error, conditioning, social learning theory, development of language, thinking and reasoning, Pavlov, Erickson, Albert Bandura. Unit 11. Child Psychology, Intellectual Development. Intellectual development, meaning and nature of intelligence, factors affecting intelligence, measurement of intelligence, and values of intelligence, tests. Intellectual deviations, subnormal, normal and subnormal, normal and superior. Personality development, definition, types, traits of personality, factors affecting personality development, problem during adolescence, counseling, educational and vocational guidance for the development of right personality. Moral development, definition of morality, moral behavior, factors affecting moral development, standards, and moral development. Unit 12. Communication and Extension Education 1. Extension education, meaning, scope, objectives, need and importance. Philosophy and principles of extension education. Extension teaching method. Classification, merits and limitations of method. Factors affecting choice and use of method. Introduction to communication, meaning, nature, process of communication, types, barriers to communication. Unit 13. Communication Extension Education 2. Audiovisual aids classification, detailed study of aids, factors affecting choice and use of barriers aids. Rural sociology and its importance and extension workers. Characteristics of rural life, scope of rural upliftment. Leadership qualities of a leader, identification of leaders, functions and role of a leader. Unit 14. Family dynamics 1. Family as a basic social institution. Definition, type of family, family in past and present, functions and motives of the family, joint and nuclear families. Marriage, midsection, late marriage, type of marriage, advantage of arranged and self-choice marriage, function of and motives of marriage, marital adjustments, husband-wife relationship, relation with other family members of harmonious life, parent-child relationship. Unit 15. Family Dynamic 2. Old age, developmental tasks, problems of the aged, role of family member, government and non-governmental organization in solving their problems. Mental health, meaning and importance, etiology of mental health, ways of adjustment, role of psychotherapy and counseling to cure mental problems of women, violence against women, separation and single motherhood and their coping strategies. Syllabus for art of teaching and other skill estate. Unit second, art of teaching other skills. 50 क्वेश्चन आएंगे और 50 मार्क्स के. ए आर्ट्स ऑफ टीचिंग 30 मार्क्स 30 क्वेश्चन. अदर स्किल 20 मार्क्स 20 क्वेश्चन. आर्ट्स ऑफ टीचिंग सिलेबस. नंबर 1, टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग, मीनिंग, प्रोसेस एंड करेक्टरिस्टिक्स. पॉइंट 2, टीचिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, मीनिंग एंड टाइप्स, ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी. पॉइंट 3, टीचिंग मेथड, टाइप एंड इट्स करेक्टरिस्टिक, merit and demerits of method. Lesson plan, types and format and various model. Macro teaching, instructional analysis. Effective ecosystem of classroom. Point 7, textbook and library. Point 8, qualities of teacher. Point 9, evaluation and assessment for learning. Point 10, curriculum. Point 11, factors affecting teaching and learning. Point 12, teaching aids and hands-on learning. अदर स्किल, इससे 20 प्रश्न आएंगे और 20 मार्क्स के. जनरल नॉलेज. पॉइंट 1, इन्वायरमेंटल साइंस. पॉइंट 2, पॉइंट 3, मैथमेटिकल एप्टीट्यूड और पॉइंट 4, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. ये बिहार एस्टेट का सिलेबस है. इसके 100 प्रश्न सब्जेक्ट के और 50 प्रश्न टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड और अदर स्किल के आएंगे. टोटल मिलाकर 150 प्रश्न आएंगे, 150 मार्क्स के. थैंक यू.